Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're tracing how a vibration in the air becomes a voice in your head.
So how does that happen? How does a simple wave become a clear thought? Well, let's dive in.
You see, your ears have two huge jobs to do. It's not just hearing, but also keeping you balanced.
This entire journey takes place across three distinct parts of the ear. Let's start from the outside in.
Okay, first up, the outer ear. Think of it kind of like a satellite dish, built to catch sound waves.
You know, the part you can actually see? That's the pinna. Its job is to gather up those sound waves.
Those waves then travel down the ear canal and hit a thin membrane, your eardrum, making it vibrate.
Now we're in the middle ear, and this is where things get, well, a whole lot louder.
The eardrum's vibrations get passed to three of the absolute tiniest bones in your entire body. They're called the hammer, anvil, and stirrup. And yeah, that's literally what they look and act like.
So what's their one single critical job? What do these tiny little bones actually do?
They amplify. That's it. They crank up the volume on those vibrations for the next critical step.
Okay, that beefed up vibration now heads into the inner ear. This is where the real magic happens. It hits a snail-shaped thing called the cochlea, which creates waves in the fluid that's inside.
As those waves move, they bend thousands of tiny hair cells, and that bending creates an electrical signal.
That signal zips up the auditory nerve to your brain, which finally says, aha, that's sound.
But hold on, the inner ear isn't done yet. It's also running the command center for your balance.
Meet the semicircular canals. These three little fluid-filled tubes are all about keeping you upright.
When you move your head, the fluid inside sloshes around, telling your brain exactly which way's up.
So to sum it all up, it's a pretty incredible three-step journey from the air to your brain.
It's simple, really. The outer ear collects, the middle ear amplifies, and the inner ear converts.
And just like that, a vibration becomes a meaningful part of your world. Pretty amazing, right?
Which leaves us with a final thought. What if your brain couldn't filter out all that extra noise?